In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer the ownership of a Google Ads account. First, open your Google Ads account in a browser and make sure you're signed in with the account that currently manages the ads you want to transfer. If you use multiple Google profiles, double-check you're in the right one to avoid sending the invite from the wrong place. Next, head to the admin area. In most layouts, you'll find this under the Tools or Settings icon at the top. Then look for the section that manages users and access. This is where you control who can get into your account and what they're allowed to do. Now, click the plus icon to add a new user. This button is designed to invite someone new, and it will open a form where you can specify the details. Enter the email address of the person you're transferring ownership to. Make sure the email is typed correctly. One small typo will prevent them from receiving the invitation. If the person doesn't have a Google account yet, they'll need to create one before they can accept your invite. It's a good idea to let them know that up front so they can prepare. Before sending the invite, look for the Access Expires option. This setting determines how long the invitee's access will remain active. If you're granting temporary access, for example, to let someone review or transition the account, set a specific expiration date. If you're transferring long-term control, choose an option that does not expire, if available, so they won't lose access unexpectedly. Take a moment to confirm that the access level and expiration settings match your intent. Once everything looks correct, click Invitation to send it. The person you invited will receive an email prompting them to accept. Encourage them to check their inbox and spam or promotions folders, just in case the email lands there. They'll need to click the acceptance link to complete the process. After the invitation is accepted, they'll have access to your Google Ads account as you configured it. That's the core of the transfer, inviting the new owner, setting the appropriate access duration, and confirming acceptance. If the invite isn't accepted promptly, you can resend it from the same admin area and confirm the status there. And that's it. You went to your Google Ads account, opened the admin section, clicked the plus icon, entered their email, selected the access expiration, and sent the invitation. Once they accept, they're in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently hand over access to the right person.